The middle points of the sides of a triangle are 2, 1, -1, -3 and 4, 5 respectively. Find the coordinate of its vertices. Let stitch triangle ABC and its vertices are x2, y2, x1, y1 and x3, y3, and the midpoint of the sides are, that is 2, 1, midpoint of BC, midpoint of AC is -1, -3, and midpoint of AB is 4, 5, and it is represented by points PQ R. Now we have to find the vertices of the triangle. Its vertices of a triangle are A, x1, y1, B, x2, y2, and C, x3, y3. These are coordinates of the vertices of a triangle. Since P is the midpoint of BC, then we know that the coordinate of the midpoint of a line segment joining 2 points x1, y1 and x2, y2 is x equal x1 plus x2 by 2, x equal x1, it is capital X, x2 by 2, and y equal y1 plus y2 by 2. Then since it is x equal x1 plus x2 by 2 means 2 equal x2 plus x3 by 2. For point P, by the above formula we have 2 equal x2 plus x3 by 2. From here we have value of x2 plus x3 is 4. It is first equation. Now similarly 1 equal y2 plus y3 by 2, then y2 plus y3 is equal to, it is second equation. Similarly for point Q we have -1, it is x equal x1 plus x2 by 2, it is x1 plus x3 by 2, means x1 plus value of x2 is x3 by 2, then we have equation x1 plus x3 is equal -2, 4, equation 3, sorry. Similarly -3 equal y1 plus y3 by 2, we have y1 plus y3 is equal -6, equation 4. For point R 4 equal x1 plus x2 by 2. We have x1 plus x2 is equal 8, it is fifth equation, and 5 equal y1 plus y2 by 2, then y1 plus y2 equal 10, 6 equation. Equation number 6. Now adding equation 1 plus 1, 3 and 5 means equation which contains x. Then it is x2 plus x3, x1 plus x3, x1 plus x2. Is equal 4 minus 2 plus 8, then 2 times x1, 2 times x2, 2 times x3, then it is 2 into x1 plus x2 plus x3, and it is 10 equal 10. Then x1 plus x2 plus x3 is equal 5, and it is equation A. Now adding two, 4 and 6, 2, 4 and 6, we have y2 plus y3, y1 plus y3, y1 plus y2 is equal 2 minus 6 plus 10, then it is 2 times y1 plus y2 plus y3 is equal 12 minus 6, 6, then value of y1 plus y2 plus y3 is equal 3. It is equation B. Now using equation 1 from equation 1 and A, equation A, we put the value of x2 plus x3 4. In equation A we have x1 plus 4 equal 5, then value of x1 is 1. From equation 3 and A, equation A, we put the value of x1 plus x3 in x1 plus x2 plus x3 equal 5. We have x2 minus 2 equal 5, then value of x2 is 7. Now from equation 5 and equation A, we put the value of x1 plus x2. In equation A we have 8 plus x3 equal 5, then we find the value of x3 from here, it is minus 3. Again from equation 2 and equation B, we put the value of y2 plus y3. Value of y2 plus y3 is 2. In equation B is y1 plus y2 plus y3 equal 3. We have 2 plus y1 equal 3. Value of y1 is 1. From equation 4 and equation B, we put the value of y1 plus y3, then it is y2, y1 plus y3 is minus 6 equal 3, then value of y2 is 9. Now from equation 6 and equation B, we put the value of y1 plus y2 in equation B. We have 10 plus y3 is equal 3, then y3 equal minus 7. Here we find the value of x1, x2, x3 and y1, y2, y3. Then vertices of triangle. ABC are E, which is x1 comma y1, value of x1 is 1 and y1 is 1. B, point B, value of point B is x2 comma y2, means 7 x2 and y2 is 9, 7 comma 9. And C is x3 comma y3, x3 is minus 3 and y3 is minus 7, and it is answer.